Yeah, today I'm going to talk about this utility knife that I received from the brand and show you how it works and how I think of this. All right, so it does come with this packaging, and it also includes an additional 10 blades off to the side. It's got a nice container for it. And there are a few ways to use it, so let me show you how to operate this. So first of all, there's a button here that releases the latch. Otherwise, it is locked. You can release it, and there are 3 angles that you can choose from. So this is locked at 90 degrees, and then this is the next one, and then we have the full 180 degrees that is locked into. Now, as far as the scraper tool utility, you can use the scraper tool by holding down this button and then just swiveling it like so, and then you can use it as a scraper tool to scrape off paint or whatever else you need it for, and you can just push that back just like so. And then as far as releasing this to change it or to switch it out, so to pull out this knife, you do have to kind of push it off to this side. It's not really a push button, but you have to kind of like push it off to the side here, and then it easily releases. You can change it around, and then you can switch out a new blade if you'd like to. As far as the blade sharpness, it works out pretty well. I use this on cardboard, and I've also used this on like this plastic bottle that I needed to use it on. So pretty good there. All right, when you place this back in, you just want to make sure it's locked and secured and good to go. All right, now it does come with a nice clip, so you can clip this on your belt or your pants, and then you can just push the button and then lock it back in, and you're good to go. Nice, compact, it's heavy duty, it's pretty thick. It's also got like a nice handle to it, so it's not like one of the cheaper ones where it's really thin. So this is really heavy duty, and yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with it. But thank you so much for the brand for sending out this sample, and have a great day.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.